Okay, so we're out at here. We did a tree job here. It was about last year. I don't know if you guys remember, we did about, I think it was 3 or 4 up here, and then we just did his front one out there. But we're back here. He wants these other 3 down. We got these 2 spruce trees and then the 1 pine tree right back here. This spruce tree does split off to 2, as you guys can see. There. We got quite a bit of room back here. We do have to watch out for the deck, of course. He's got, looks like a swimming pool and his hot tub back here. So we're gonna watch out for all that. We're not gonna drop anything on there, but pretty easy job. We're going to be putting all the branches just over here. We're going to be stacking up. He's going to keep all the wood. We're going to be putting it all over there. But yeah, that's our job for today. We're going to get you guys set up. We're pretty much all geared up here. We just got to throw on our spurs. And yeah, looks like a beautiful day. So we're going to get started here and we'll catch you guys in a little bit. We're going to get you guys set up here though. Right down to go.
The instrument of joy to keep the good times rolling. I'm the boy. You know the world could be ours. Just put your trust in me. We'll keep the good times rolling. Wait and see. Wait and see. I'll wait and see. Exultation, the sweet disintegration of beauty's colorations, then it comes along. Up is what he chooses, the kisses and the bruises, there ain't nothing he refuses, then it comes along, it comes along. Then I am lifted, I am lifted, when I'm up I can't get down. Can't get down, can't get level. When I'm up, I can't get down. Get my feet back on the ground. When I'm up, I can't get down. Can't get down, can't get level. When I'm up, I can't get down. Get my feet back on the ground. He just needs something to find him, something to wind him up. It won't take long to find him when it comes on strong. Black skies are grinning, lights are spinning, night's just beginning, and then it comes on strong, it comes on strong, and I am lifted, when I'm up I can't get down, can't get down, can't get level, when I'm up I can't get down, get my feet back on the ground, when I'm up I can't get down, can't get down, can't get level, when I'm up I can't get down.
But that's going to be wrapping for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It was a bit of a longer job. It was supposed to be in and out in a day, but it actually took 2 days. I was out there just by myself, but we got the job done nice and safely. We are also going to be putting up content every Thursdays and Mondays here, so if you guys want to take a little bit of time out and catch us on those days, that'd be awesome. But we're going to wrap that up here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. We'll talk to you on Monday there. Armands High Life. Thanks again for tuning in. Bye, guys.
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright.